Watch me, watch this.
No, it's gonna go to overtime.
I'm getting
It's gonna-
halfway kills here. I'm getting halfway kills here. Watch this.
Half your kills here, you're getting 4?
No.
Even if that scenario is not an ace.
Is it like worth healing myself?
Bro, we have no initiators.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's what I'm saying. There's no way you guys can get kills without any kills.
I think
Bro, we're double duelists. There's no way we'll have initiators.
Sage,
Hey,
buff
Sentry.
idea. Let you overheal with the Sage heal.
Sage,
Alright, let's go.
You heal for 15 max too, so.
No, I'm saying
Oh,
they should make it overheal.
I think it's victory. We don't need to. Devil in the details.
Alright, one,
Devil on my details.
Go kill him. Kill him. Go kill him.
two. Oh,
Oh, hey, two.
That's it.
Two's good. Two's good. Two ain't around. That's good.
Oh,
one was in heaven, on the rope. Sorry, CT. Oh, Jin, is that witch I see? Oh my god.
oh my
What?
Oh my god. And did 212 damage. to you.
Oh my god. What is that?
I had to
What
plant,
is that?
buddy. You're the same.
Zero, what
You
is
wanna
zero?
Plant? You wanna plant? No, you don't.
No.
Exactly, so shut up.
Do you think there's a world, like a possibility, where all 5 of you guys have above 10 kills?
Above 10?
No. Someone
All of
someone
us?
has to take the L. And I looking at
The
the
law of
scoreboard
community
now. I don't
property.
want
Is
to
that
make any assumptions, but
a lot of community
And
property
one
means
round. It's been
Oh,
one
fuck.
round. I
You're
had to
so
plant.
mean.
It's been one round. I had to plant the fucking spike.
Satchel out.
Bro.
oh man.
One dropped out.
Oh,
God.
the Vendro. Oh my god.
Wait,
Placing swarm grenade.
no one done it.
Swarm grenade out.
Okay. so
One
above
enemy remaining.
Brilliant.
Flawless.
Wow. I love planting spike.
Chin, you're doing so well.
Wait, isn't Rashab supposed to plant spike?
Yes, he is, but he doesn't.
Chin, you might get 9 at this rate.
I'm gonna play by myself.
I had a very nice clean shot.
Yeah, for sure. I saw that in Koopy. That was
It coincidentally
That's nice.
happened when he was planting too. It was so good.
Look at this fucking.
Jin, you're good bait.
Mm. You help a lot, Daddy.
Don't say
Oh.
that. That was weird.
Sorry. Oh, good kill, Tahijin.
Nice kill.
So, what?
Oh my.
What did you just say?
No, we don't go that way.
Bro, there's
Hey.
no fucking way.
Do you call him Ty?
Titration.
I have A.
Check that elbow. Check that elbow.
Alright, I'll check
Loki
it out.
Hayek.
Oh no!
my.
Nice aim, Rashov.
Spike down
Sarma.
A.
I 100 him. I 100 him. I 100 him.
100 isn't kills. I'm sorry.
I 100 him.
Nice aim, Pichinini. With the
Who are you beefing with me, man? What did I do?
You're also big with me. I don't.
You can't go through the main. That is not. That's not an option.
Placing swarm grenade.
Oh, he jumps this.
Swarm grenade out.
Oh my.
What?
Placing swarm grenade.
One enemy.
Ew. Oh my.
Ooh.
Oh, over there, over there. Oh my.
Dude, dude.
Oh, nice clutch.
Do you see the play I've done? We won the round.
That was nice. I was for sure. I was for sure we were done.
I
won
actively,
us the
I
round.
actually threw out the
That was
round.
actually, yeah, very cool.
My wall received 100 damage, 97 damage.
100 damage. You received 150.
160. Actually.
Yeah, did you see yourself? No, so you didn't.
Nah, I didn't get a chance, man. He popped me.
Yeah,
Reloading.
so you took 150.
Wow, this game feels fucking forever.
We just started, bro.
I know. I feel like it's been going on forever. 3 here. 3 here.
You already got 9 kills.
Air's gonna go.
Should I? I'll wait for the slow to
Let's
end.
go, let's go,
No,
let's go.
Satchel out.
Oh no.
I'm not going.
Plus close left.
How do I-
Turn around. Turn the fuck around and get the guy close left. God damn it.
I didn't hear.
There's this wall.
I forgot. Didn't know how to do it.
Hey, can you res Chase?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Thanks, man.
All right, we're going mid.
Swarm grenade. Reloading.
God damn it.
Swarm grenade out. Rest.
Oh, there's a guy there.
They have a Bucky.
Target.
Bro, how do we turn this round
Why
around?
did he have a classic?
Oh,
I'm dead.
CT.
I call him Elon Musk.
Elon Muskie.
30 seconds left.
What the fuck?
Spawn. Surely you get this kill.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my gosh, that was a little bit sketchy.
An alarm bot. Who could have predicted this? Alright.
Wait, Jin.
I did.
Jin. I'm gonna heal you.
Wait,
Fuck
run,
you.
Run.
I was full health.
I wanted the assist.
You
Have a
don't
back.
get the assist.
I already killed him.
thank you.
Oh, my bad, Chase. I can buy you if you want.
No,
Yeah, Chase, you're right. These have been very like strange ends to the rounds.
We've been winning for somehow.
yeah, I
Yeah,
feel
but
like
like it starts bad for you guys, and you guys.
Oh, I
somehow,
got
like,
305
Like every
damage this
round.
time.
every round we're like barely
So good.
something happens. Nice.
Good job, Onion Dad.
Get out of my way. Grenade. Placing swarm grenade. Get it. Swarm grenade out.
Stunning. Oh!
Another backside B.
I got you.
Reloading.
What the fuck was that? How'd that not kill?
Damn.
Oh wait, she's dead.
No way. I was more alarmed at the fucking wall than the fucking person shooting. Lit 80.
Blocking vision.
They're stuck.
Wait, Omen's flank? My turret went off?
Woman TP'd in.
One enemy remaining.
Satchel out. Reloading.
You guys
Wow,
like
my
my
wall is,
there?
my wall is
That's
so
cute, right?
effective.
Jane, can you do me a favor? Can you switch to Victor's
We're
POV?
here because we're right there. Don't forget that.
Why don't you just let him stream, bro? Dude, my wall received 900 damage this time. Holy shit.
Like six people there.
Shit.
It's only going up.
It's a max.
Bro's on that bull market shit.
Placing swarm grenade.
Oh, my bad.
Oh.
I'm gonna
Where'd that
ult
I
it.
let my intentions out too early.
What happened?
What that mean?
Has revealed the plan. Spilled the beans.
Satchel out.
Oh, I take some of that.
I got that from Victor.
How did you get that?
Oh. You're talking about
Oh.
the Dementor here.
Ugh.
The
Yeah.
self-killed Dementor.
Just on it.
Oh, dead. No.
Initiated.
That's a.
Placing alarm bot.
Are they
That
challenging us?
Astra law lasts forever. Is that for them? Oh yeah, we don't. Oh no, we have an Astra.
Yeah.
Areas clear.
Lots of T.
Wow.
You're so shit.
Just running down
Wow,
the thing
that was
just-
crazy. That was
Remaining.
that was actually insane.
like, like the only way I win that is by one tapping.
Jin,
Bishop, did anyone spectate me?
You were playing Val. He was playing COD.
I saw it. You did the thing.
I did, and it worked pretty well. My
I think
mouse
he's
is
saving. I think he's a saver.
Bro,
Oh.
how?
Damn.
Oh.
What?
How did he get there?
hot. Yeah, you
That guy's a demon.
How did he kill you both?
Bro, wasn't there somebody in heaven?
guys-
Oh, I
no.
dropped.
Chase was.
Oh.
Chase was.
I was pushing spawn.
No, Chase was.
Hey,
standing
yo.
on the fucking wall right here.
Yo, who wants to hover hands? Who wants to hover hands?
Jin, you're at half your kills, man.
Who wants to hover hands? Who wants to hover hands?
Chase, I don't know why you're doing sick. You're barely above me and you're talking.
Who wants to hover heads?
What does that mean?
Who wants to hover hands? Can I like res myself? Oh
Wow.
my.
Way to do-
We're about to find out.
Fucking shooters.
Oh my god, he's so good.
Now that they have guns, you guys are just fucking dying to them.
That's done.
Oh, good job, Jin. You got the guy who's jumping up.
Yeah, and you didn't. Why are you talking, man? Where the fuck
Oh,
is this guy?
how do you get that kill? How do you get
Kill.
that kill?
Is
Reloading.
guy also there?
Reloading. Out. Recovering.
She called me Elon Musk.
Spikes down.
Sky likes to go CT.
I've got your trail.
Where is that?
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
Isn't that from T?
And
She called me Jin, you're so bad.
Last player standing.
Whoa, 40, 40.
Wait.
you have star. You can suck.
Sucker, 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 sucker.
Concuss instead. Concuss instead so you get
Concussing them.
Concuss.
Blasting him.
Concussing them.
Nice.
Worth it.
Concussing them.
Concussing them.
Concussing them.
Is everyone's tech still working? Double check.
Wait,
please.
wait.
Why is this going so well? What is happening?
Hey, what's up? What do you? How did you?
Concussing them. What?
You're down there now.
Yeah, I started planning more.
Started IGLing more? That's what
Yeah.
happened?
What do you mean you started planning? I planned the spike that round.
This is FNS Avenger right here.
Have you planted the spike once yet?
Yeah, I have.
FNS Devandra. Number
Trying
one.
to entry and I realized I don't have any. I don't have any fucking util.
Yes, that's crazy.
Case, go in. I got you. I'll cover you. Case, what's that?
So the trick is,
I'm not
you
engaging
you
that.
tailgate him. You tailgate him with X out, so that
I'll
way
get
when
you
you guys
immediately.
transfer him.
You're,
Yeah.
you're insta-resing.
I'm cussing you.
Concussing them. Concussing.
Wanna walk in?
Sorry that you're getting.
You have iron stuff? Let's get it.
Yeah, let's
There's
go,
a
baby.
turret.
In the orb, the orb.
To the right, backside, backside.
You should run.
Playing for kills.
Wow.
Wait.
Spike down A.
Yeah, the red.
Oh, wrong
Thanks.
person. Two heaven.
Come on, man. I can't defend you no more. I'm on team Jin now.
Concussing them.
Oh,
Look at my
the
support
long
team
con. The long con.
Concussing them.
Chase moment,
Concussing them.
I got my 10. I got my 10.
Well, he got us done. He's in the
Dude,
problem.
Rashad.
Wait. Some people might not get 10 because we're gonna win too fast.
Rashab, it is really looking bad for you right now.
What is that, Satchel?
Concussing.
I'm rocket boosting in. Oh, fuck.
What?
Shav, you have
Are you
5
okay?
rounds to get
Chase,
6 kills, my guy.
I
Chase,
have-
you wanna fly?
You have four
can't do
rounds,
this,
because they're
guys.
probably gonna
I
end
can't
up
do
half
this.
and half. You
I
have
can't
4
do
rounds
this.
to get
I
4.
can't do this. I can't kill here. No.
Reloading.
Don't die.
Bomb barrier. Here comes. Vision. Grenade. Wall raised.
Bro.
Nice wall.
They do not teach you that anywhere.
Ah!
Oh, he dropped.
Shav.
Oh my. Please pushing it. No way I died to the one guy who can hit a headshot.
How did he get? Where did he go?
Just smoke. Just push it. You need to kill.
Rashab, you spike.
Just push it. You need to kill.
Last guy's flanking, right? No.
One enemy remaining.
He's there too.
Oh no,
like,
that was
for
victory.
sure. Just push it.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh,
Oh, Jin. Oh, Jin. Looky, looky.
Grenades left. Hopefully that's enough.
Concussing them.
Do you think
Passing them.
it's possible that 2 people get below 10 kills?
Yes, because it's gonna end in 3 rounds. It's ending in 3 rounds.
I don't get a kill, guys. I don't think I'm gonna get killed today.
He's not gonna get 10.
I'm not gonna get to 10.
Shoot
I
for
think-
8 at least.
I think they need to buff the Razor
No.
No.
I think it should do more.
And then they should give it 2 shot.
Yeah, yeah, it's like a pump shotgun.
That's crazy.
Oh my. Oh, that pop flash. What that pop flash?
Rochelle, where the fuck are you going?
The guy
Oh
here.
my god, he's getting. Wait, he's getting his streaks. Want me to flash this? Oh my.
No, we don't need it.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, oh.
You
Got
will
my 10, I
not
don't care.
kill my allies.
Got my 10.
No, he's in 108. He's in 108.
Spike down
I
A.
got my 10.
How are we winning all these rounds? What the fuck?
Got my thing.
I call you Chad.
Alright, 2 people in the hot seat right now. 2 people in the hot seat.
Yeah.
We gotta try our best. We gotta try harder. We gotta try harder.
Wait, Chase, how are you down here? What are you doing?
Dude, I don't know. I got up to get Cheez-Its. I came back.
Yeah,
Whole world,
buddy,
whole world came apart.
Okay,
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay,
It's
buddy.
No.
Jesus.
I was already dead after before.
Okay, buddy.
It's-
Okay, buddy.
It's a cheese it dust. It's gonna be.
I
Yeah,
got
getting
you,
in the
Rochelle.
keys and shit.
I'll body block you.
Okay, thank you.
Get out of my way.
Oh my god.
Come on, Victor.
Rashad, you gotta get down there. You gotta get down there, Rashad. You gotta get down.
Oh no.
Wait,
Spike down mid.
but imagine we win this round.
You guys are part of it.
Sky was there too.
Last player
Oh.
standing. One enemy remaining.
What?
Oh,
My E didn't work! My E didn't work!
oh,
I was spamming my E! Oh my gosh.
oh,
Last round before the
oh.
No.
Wait.
You gave
Wait.
us you faked the come on, you had to win
Oh
that for us.
God. My E did not work. I was spamming the key.
You gave Rashad his 2
Alright.
extra rounds, or
It's still viable for you guys to get your
Oh,
your the kills this round.
I believe that they will FF.
It's okay on defense. I can prevent them from getting kills from like sucking them and stunning them.
Yes.
I've got your trail.
Just need 2K.
Oh!
Just need 2K. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Them.
Wait.
Wait, bro, there's no fucking way, man. Why do I have to tie with these bozos, man?
I'm gonna make noise at an unannounced time.
You should run. Good. Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out. Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade
Can you
out.
break that with that
last
gun?
player standing. One enemy remaining.
Wait, there's no way.
Oh,
TNT.
almost won that again.
No, that's
Yeah.
just so well done too.
Bro, there's no way you
I don't
almost
think- I
won
don't think you
that.
just fucking fade out of it.
I
Did you fade it or break it?
Not your...
He
No, I
faded
did
out
it,
of, he
I did it.
dismissed out of
What
it.
the fuck?
Faded then a hoe. Faded then a hoe.
You can avoid the spike death too from that.
Yeah, but I don't think it lasts long enough. Or like it'll kill you.
Well, yeah, eventually, yeah.
Alright, how about this?
Alright, Chase is 1 away.
I get my one here.
One
What about
kill
Rash?
away.
What about Rashad?
He's kind of 2 kills away. It seems kind of far.
Alright, Chase, you're my greatest competition, so I have to stop.
Wait, let's
No,
just do it together,
no.
man. I'll
yeah.
lead.
Teamwork, Lou.
Teamwork, bro.
Placing swarm grenade out.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Dude, he can't see anymore.
Oh no!
Smoke that. I need help.
They smoked it.
They're on.
They're sucked! They're sucked!
I know, but oh my, look at that.
Wow.
Chase is gonna get a field. They're all.
they're based. Yeah.
Yeah, Chase! Yeah, Chase! Yeah, Chase!
There we go.
Chase is clear.
Taking that back.
Spike
Jet dinks.
planted.
That was the only one person I didn't let. I guess they
One
have
moment, one
six
moment.
eyes, so they're
Oh,
all
he got
full
healed.
health. Yeah.
That's true.
Jet's one shot, supposedly.
Wait, my smoke
One
comes
enemy
back in a bit.
remaining.
My smoke comes back in a bit. Actually, no, I'm gonna just smoking.
There's no way we win this round, right? That's
Watch
crazy.
the other side, watch the other side.
How
Why are you so far away? What the fuck?
How the fuck are we winning these?
catching them?
Bro, Chase, you got one there. That's all.
Everyone makes
Yeah,
Yeah.
you like that shot? That was
Where,
clean.
where was that jet playing for?
Yeah, where was the jet playing
Joe
for?
was playing. Joe was playing for fucking Yvonne.
Well, she's like you guys like circle all the way like through A and through their spawn.
They want to circle through B link, watching flank, last alive.
She called me Elon Musk.
Okay, how about this?
Muskilon.
What are odds that Vendro is higher up on the
Oh,
the scoreboard than Boba?
who's Boba?
What are you shooting at?
You?
Why?
I got you.
They be here, Heaven, they be Heaven.
Placing swarm grenade.
Where they walled.
Let's go up, left, right, 3.
Whoa!
Wait, actually, they're going fucking B.
Yep.
What?
Nice
Unfortunate.
lurk. Nice lurker shot. Come on.
Oh, welcome.
Where did the Omen TP?
Ah!
That's a guardian. That's a
Oh my
guardian.
god. Yeah, Rashad.
Guardian down in heaven.
Enemy
One
remaining.
down.
No way. What the
Oh.
fuck happened?
Oh.
How are they losing
Oh.
all these, man?
We're shot at 9.
Got you.
With one
Alright,
more
shall
round
we-
to go.
Shove it 9, Rashad
You
at 9.
have to get a kill next round.
No!
No, Rashad, what are you doing?
We're shot at 9 with one more round.
Rashad at 9 with 1 more to go. Rashad at 9 with 1 more to go. Rashad at 9 with 1 more to go.
Match point.
Welcome down to this.
Almost done. Cool.
Sorry.
It was the guardian,
My
and it
goal,
was the.
my goal is to now not let him get a
So wouldn't it be poetic if your last kill was like with like a shorty?
yeah. Get the shotgun. Your arch nemesis.
He's not gonna get it. He actually gets 2 keyed on.
He gets one.
Honestly, if you leave me to my own devices.
Honestly, I think you're gonna hit someone for 65. That's my guess.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
Oh,
No, okay.
Now
Was that right? Was
Wait,
that right?
wait,
Was that right?
wait.
Was that right?
88 on Killjoy.
Now we focus up, man. Come
Wait.
on.
Country. Go get him.
Whoa.
this is not part of the contract to go against me.
So, was I correct in 65?
Hmm?
What, did you do 65 damage to somebody?
Was this a real?
I did 48.
What the fuck? Wait, how?
There A.
Well, then.
There's at least one A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Skis. 10. We won this round.
Yeah, this is the start of a round comeback.
Bot coming back.
Spike planted.
Let's
This
wait.
team better
What is
win.
this goofy ass Guardian skin?
It's a good skin.
Okay.
Chase that. Good one. Good one. Good one.
Reloading.
Bind,
Oh.
heaven.
Last player
Oh.
standing.
Y'all are shit at this game.
Alright.
Rashad, I can't believe you
saga
died in like a
continues.
span of 10
The
seconds.
saga
Back in
continues.
it.
The saga
Back
continues.
in
The
it.
saga
Back
continues.
in it, baby. Back in it, baby. Back in it, baby.
It's one kill. Whenever you want. Whenever.
You want me to buy you so that you can have full armor?
No, it's fine. Back in
No way
it,
Joe was
baby.
offering to pity buy.
Back in it, baby. It was not in the contract.
You got a monkey loan
It
device.
was not in the contract too for you guys to scheme against me. Alright,
I'm
it was.
literally
I'm
telling you
not-
right now. I'm literally telling you right now. You buy a shotgun, you get a 5k this round.
Placing swarm grenade out. Target
Where are these men?
Probably be main, right?
Oh, no.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Go for your ace,
oh,
man. Go for ace.
Go for that!
oh.
One enemy remaining.
Oh.
She's fucked there, right? Oh fuck.
What if they have a final comeback? Oh my god, wait. And she has res too?
Wait, no way Chase is the only one who's not gonna.
Last
Wait.
player standing.
What?
Come on, man. What are you looking at?
Wait.
will not
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're gonna win.
Come on, Victor.
Well,
Actually went from like a 1v5 to
Oh my
2v1.
god.
No, they
What a
still
great
blow
round.
it though.
No way they still lose.
move, move, move,
Oh my
move.
god.
No, he's got it. He's got it.
Yeah,
He's got it.
won. Holy shit, this is stupid.
One enemy remaining.
No, the other guy passed already.
My ult's
The other guy's gone.
That's fine.
Pulling them in.
30 seconds.
Oh,
left.
the fakie.
Is that a gun barrel I saw? What was that?
Ace.
Oh,
wow.
Hey,
Oh,
you
good
wanna do 11
try.
kills now?
Wow. Okay.
No one beats my
Okay,
firepower.
our goal's 11
I
kills.
got this.
Ooh, ha. Can I save one? Can I save one, guys?
Come on.
You wanna save one?
It's
I'll
crazy.
save one.
I don't know if it's in your right interest to save when you're down at 11 kills.
Dude, I'll have like 14 after this one, and then Rashad will be on bottom again.
Yeah, let's just play for who's on bottom, you know. At this point, everyone got their time.
What do you mean by
Out
that?
of my way. Placing sentry.
It's gonna be like this now.
Turret down.
I can't use my E to this shit.
I missed.
Alright, let's just all play this one.
Reloading.
That's it.
Let's break that wall.
I'm just.
Let's just break that wall, yeah.
One ran back main. Might be going.
Spike
Placing
planted.
swarm grenade.
Planted.
Yeah.
Swarm grenade out.
Oh my.
Reloading. Enemy spotted.
You should
Feeling
run.
sight.
Nice.
Wow.
Oh,
How did know you were playing?
Cutting their vision.
Wow,
Player standing.
Wow.
how'd she get the headshot on me? I was fucking flying.
Oh, whoa.
Oh,
Wow.
But
wow.
of course, but of
wow.
course.
Wow.
Oh, wait.
Wow. Wow.
Check. Charges.
Alright, Chase. Here's your turn.
No worries.
should I save? I'm gonna save.
Oh, what?
Okay,
You
guys,
did.
guys,
We did.
well,
I
guys,
saved
You
that
that.
saved
one.
last round?
No,
I
I
thought you
forced-
said you saved last round.
Of course.
Just
We're
panicking.
gonna save.
Chase is panicking.
Chase, I'll give you a res if you die.
Next one.
Soundbot out. Placing swarm.
Go for like
charges.
40 here.
Satchel out.
What, 40 damage?
Recalling
Mhm.
my bot.
55.
Damn shame.
Hey, ramps.
Reloading.
Jen hit 45.
Recalling my
Are they
bot.
heaven?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
3, 2, swing.
Placing sentry.
That hurt.
They're gonna rotate.
Yep, I heard.
Oh, that's a pretty nice wall. I'm proud of that.
Could they be up heaven, Rishav? No.
Without a doubt.
Oh, maybe.
Bro, Rishav's heating up.
Wait,
Hey,
they
heaven.
have.
They haven't.
Jet on B.
Planning B.
Wait, where did the turret
Spike
go?
planted.
What the fuck? Why?
In sight.
Oh
Wow,
my
that actually,
gosh.
that was, wait, that's, this jet is popping off.
Oh, on the ground.
Player
Oh,
okay.
standing.
Victor, I got it. Is your reaction times okay right now?
Big guy. It's the screen, big guy.
Sleepy Vic.
Whoa!
No, Chase, come on. You've had so many chances to get a
Nah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm crashing, bro.
Okay, fam. Good evening.
My
Okay.
frag was last game.
Grace, that's what happens, right? You pull out the judge and secondary shorty,
Oh,
Tati,
disgusting.
Chase, look.
and then you do
I got-
78 damage alone.
I got the hands for you, bro. I got the hands.
78 damage with 8 headshots.
Really, wait, Chase, crash real quick.
Wait. You
Time
guys,
for
you guys just wanna
here.
push this out? I'm gonna stun.
Okay. Wait, you don't have a stun.
Just trust.
Oh no.
Enemy spotted. B.
Yeah, mid. Heaven.
Placing alarm bot.
Okay.
Heaven right now. Heaven right now.
What? 50?
You look like a
Like-
fool.
Down mid.
Damn it, Chase is heating up. Wait, res me.
Oh my god, wait, both mid. What the fuck?
Res me.
Where's this guy to res?
You will not kill my allies.
Okay, don't wanna, sure.
I've got your trail. Your duty is
You got Spike?
Heilige Strohsack, this is crazy.
Spike down A.
I did not hear him.
Where is
What
he?
are you guys doing?
Placing swarm
Running.
Swarm grenade out.
Damn it.
That was ineffective, Jin.
No, we gotta
Watch on-
run faster.
Watch on top.
Spike
I had to
planted.
clear out shit, bro. Why are you making me run faster? Chase, you got this.
What the? What just sat?
Start up and get up. To
Player standing.
the right. Oh my god, why are they heating up west? Wait, we're throwing.
You're not heating up, Rashab.
We're throwing.
Once more into battle. I'm not tired. Are
You guys actually stand no chance now.
Wait, how
You just lose.
how does Victor do so well? I feel like I only watch you when you like fuck up.
that was 2 rounds, bro.
Rashad, it's literally only watching you fuck up right now. It's like there's no other part of it, bro.
This is depressing.
I think you just got stage fright. That's about it.
It's not fun anymore since everyone got above 10. Let's make it 13.
Oh my.
Wow.
Can you smoke me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chase.
Oh, you're fucked.
Yes, sir.
What?
What?
Ooh, 100.
Chase, you got boombot.
Oh!
What was that buff?
1 of 4 heaven.
One enemy remaining.
Oh,
Oh my god, wait, defend
Wait.
your bottom frag. God,
why the bottom frag?
deserve.
How does this happen then? Die, Chase, die.
That boombot is so small.
Yeah.
Oh my
Shit, Chase.
god.